Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.
A is for apple pie, so sweet. B is for burger, a tasty treat. C is for crepes, so thin and light. D is for donut, what a yummy bite. E is for eclair, creamy and grand. F is for fries, crispy and in hand in hand. G is for garlic bread, warm delight. H is for honey, golden and bright. Let's learn the alphabet, food by food. Every bite puts us in a happy mood. A to Z, it's so much fun. Come and join everyone. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jam, a fruity treat. K is for kebab, juicy and nice. L is for latte with a splash of spice. M is for milk, so pure and white. N is for noodles, a tasty delight. O is for omelet, fluffy and round. P is for pizza, the best in town. Let's learn the alphabet, food by food. Every bite puts us in a happy mood. A to Z, it's so much fun. Come and join everyone. Q is for quince, a unique surprise. R is for rice, in a bowl it lies. S is for salad, fresh and green. T is for tacos, a tasty scene. U is for udon, noodles so grand. V is for veggie soup, warm and bland. W is for waffles, syrupy fun. X is for sigua, under the sun. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zucchini, healthy and full. Now we've sung the alphabet through. Learning with food is fun to do.
Thanks for watching Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.